check this little guy out. This has been a ton of fun. Now I do have to tell you, it has gone in the dirt, it has gone in the water, it has gone on the concrete, it has gone in the house, it's done all those things really well, really nicely. My one thing with this is definitely like a little kid level toy, right? Definitely a little kid level toy, but the controls are a little difficult. You know, because it only does like tank turns, right? There's no steering. So it's like if you push both controllers forward, it goes forward. If you stop pushing one, it kind of swerves that way. One goes that way. And then if you reverse them, it like spins around, which is, as an adult, kind of hard to specifically drive it somewhere. If you want to barrel over things, do 360s, all those kind of things, awesome for that. Probably a little kid will just giggle themselves having it be a little out of control. Myself, where I'm trying to get it to do stunts or go in front of the camera for you, that kind of stuff, to get that precise steering, not so much. So if you think your kid is gonna love barreling around, bounding over things and spinning it out, all those kind of things, this thing is absolutely great. There's a link on the screen or down there in the description. Either one works the same way. Neither one costs you any extra money, so please use those. Remember to like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions about this. And if you're like a young adult or you want something a little more controllable, a little more specific, this wouldn't be the right one for you, but I think mostly for kids who would want this, it should be redonkulously cool. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time. All right, you saw the adventure, you heard the review. What do you say we check out what's inside this box? I gotta tell you, I'm personally excited to throw this thing in the pool back here. It was too nice out today to be in the indoor testing studio, otherwise known as the garage, doing our normal location, seeing as I wanted to put it in the pool anyway. So we get some basic instructions. Oh, this thing's adorable looking. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got some extra body panels. These are kind of like, not exactly sure what these panels are, but extra body panels. Comes with 2 batteries, which is nice. Includes AA batteries for the remote. That's a really nice value add. If you're gonna give this as a gift to somebody, it is ready to go. It has everything in here. Remote, super simple. We knew that. It's just a simple little truck. We knew the remote would be very simple. Here's what the remote looks like. Take the packing off of this thing. This is freaking adorable looking. Okay, the battery goes on the bottom here, so let's, interesting stuff here. So check this thing out. How cool looking is this? It is obviously, if you ask me, the ugliest truck ever invented, the Cybertruck, probably the most worthless truck also. Comment below if you're a Cybertruck fan. I think it's a piece of junk, but it looks cool on this monster truck. So what do you say we take this monster truck, throw it in the water, see how it goes? You've actually already seen that part, I haven't. So I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna go play with this thing.